This is the Professor, CBMD PhD, and today's Friday, August 1st, 2025. It is 9:25 and 38 seconds, p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and today's research, UFO Canada. So let's hop to it here. Canada has had a history of UFO sightings closely paralleling that of the U.S. Early reports led to the acceptance of UFOs as a reality and establishment of a government laboratory to investigate them in the period of 1952 to 1953. On April 16, 1952, RCAF intelligence went on to record, believing that flying saucers could not be laughed off as optical illusions. The spokesman termed UFO as a bona fide phenomenon. Dr. Peter Millman noted, the Dominion astrophysicist stated, "We can't laugh off these observations." In the fall of 1953, the Government Department of Transport announced establishment of a flying saucer laboratory designed to prove or disprove UFO reports. The laboratory with scientific equipment to detect gamma rays, magnetic fluctuations, radio noises, etc., was headed by engineer W. B. Smith, later a member of the NICAP panel of advisors. After the official project was closed in 1954, because of embarrassing publicity, Mr. Smith issued a statement. The conclusions reached by Project Magnet and contained in the official report were based on a rigid statistical analysis of sighting reports and were as follows. There is a 91% probability that at least some of the sightings were of real objects of unknown origin. There is about a 60% probability that these objects were alien vehicles. July 9, 1957, an attorney of Hamilton, Ontario, with another witness, watched a glowing white elliptical object speed overhead from southwest to northeast, about 9:05 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. December 12, 1957, Captain J. A. Miller, Trans-Canada Airline pilot, flying between Toronto and Windsor, about 7 p.m., saw a whirling orange oval object at about 2,000 feet altitude, moving at a terrific rate of speed. The UFO flashed across Lake Erie and was seen over a wide area before swinging back over the lake and disappearing. Other witnesses included employees of Windsor Airport and police from every detachment in southern Essex County. April 12, 1959, control tower operators at St. Hubert Air Base, Montreal, and many others about 8 p.m. watched a reddish UFO which hovered over the base for several minutes, then darted away to the north, and RCAF spokesman stated, "It was a genuine UFO as far as we are concerned." About the same time, residents of North Montreal saw a red UFO, alternately described as round and cigar-shaped, which hovered low over a field, then climbed rapidly, emitting fiery sparks from the underside. In 1961, RCAF station Comox, British Columbia, stated in a letter to an NICAP member, "Most UFOB reports terminating at headquarters are unclassified and there should be no reason to suspect that information on this subject is being withheld from the public. Such phenomena pose no threat to the safety of North America insofar as is known by this headquarters. Station Comox does not receive directives which apply to the USAF AFR 202. This unit, however, does have a reporting guide to be used when phenomena is SIC reported." This video was created for educational purposes only. Codename Will. Professor Christopher Burnett, leader of research, scientist, ufologist, psychic, computer programmer, computer technician, philanthropist, writer, mathematician, artist, photographer, film producer, chef, animal, and nature lover. Passion, world peace. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have an excellent day. This is the Professor, CBMD PhD, and today's Friday, August